Want to play the Monopoly game and don't know how to create an account on it? Then don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create account in the Monopoly Go app. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Monopoly app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this. Now to create an account, you can simply tap on to play with friends or sign in with the Apple. Now choose one of these just like this. And after that, tap on to continue. And now you can see you have created an account in the Monopoly Go app. Now follow the process to create an account just like this and play the game. And that's it. This is how you can create an account in the Monopoly Go app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.